Sell or rent your property faster with VR.
Only at Kenya Coast.
Looking to sell or rent your property faster and for more money? Welcome to the future of real estate. Virtual reality tours by Max. Let buyers and tenants explore your property like they're really there, without stepping inside. VR tours help you stand out, attract serious clients, and save time on unnecessary viewings. Highlight every room, every detail, every angle, all in crystal clear quality. Properties with VR tours get up to 50% more interest, and most buyers expect one. Make your listing unforgettable. And now, with advanced AI, we can even remove furniture from your photos, so clients can imagine the space their way. Book your VR tour with Max today. Call now or visit us online to get started. You can also get accurate measurements with our software. If you need a floor plan, no problem.
Call me now or visit my website, Kenya360homes.com.